Hi everyone! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ay isang astrology reading for you. Meron tayong full moon in Aries ngayong September 29, 2023 at 5:57 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. So if you're living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. So this is also called harvest moon kasi ito yung panahon ng pag-ani, no, or culmination ng mga nasimulan natin way back nung March 2023. Pero bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking mga power bracelets. Ayan, so this is for attraction of money, abundance, prosperity, love, intuition. Meron din tayong mga for protection, mga anti-evil eye, anti-inggit. And then, meron din tayong for balancing your chakras. At meron din tayong mga intention oils, multi-purpose oils for setting your intentions. And then, meron din tayong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, lahat po yan available sa ating Shopee. Link on the description. Let's continue. Itong full moon in Aries is also a super moon, so malakas ang energy nito. Ang tema ng full moon in Aries is to let go, to release our ego na minsan kasi hindi naman kailangan nating ipaglaban lagi na tayo ay tama. Sabi nga, choose your battles. Kasi may mga pagkakataon na nasasayang lang yung energy natin sa mga bagay na hindi naman talaga makakatulong sa atin, sa pag-unlad natin. Let's say, pinairal mo yung init ng ulo mo and hindi naman makakabuti sa'yo yon or doon sa tao na mapagbabalingan mo ng init ng ulo. Pwedeng magresulta lang yon ng problema or issues or conflict in the future. So, ang opportunity rito is to release any toxic situations na meron ka and pagkakaroon ng mas mature na pag-iisip, no, pagdating sa pag-handle mo ng emotions mo, na hindi ka dapat nagpapadalos-dalos, lalo na kapag medyo mataas yung emotions mo kasi ang Aries energy is about, yung ruled by Mars yan and Mars is about aggression, initiation, very fiery yung energy niyan. So ang goal dito is to embrace yung side mo na may mga pagkakataon talaga na medyo mataas yung energy mo when it comes to dealing with your emotions, lalo na kapag natitrigger ka. So that's why kailangan you need to control your energy, lalo na kung alam mo na panandalian lang yung emotion na yun, 'di ba? And then learning to surrender as well, na may mga bagay na hindi natin kayang makontrol at kung paiiralin natin yung init ng ulo, yung bugso ng damdamin, baka imbis na maayos ang isang problema, mas lalo lang magulo, 'di ba? And even sa pagte-take natin ng actions, minsan very impulsive tayo out of our emotions. So learn to stop, think, and reassess the situation bago tayo mag-take ng action. For you, Taurus, the moon is in your 12th house of your subconscious, your spirituality, your mental health, and also endings. So for some of you, medyo ito ay magiging challenging for you, lalo na kung you're the type of person na madalas mag-overthink, no? So that's why kailangan iwasan mo na muna yun at you try to work things out with yourself, lalo na kung meron kayong nagkaroon kayo ng mga challenges pagdating sa relationship nyo sa mga katrabaho ninyo. Pwede kasing meron kayong mga nakaaway, nakasagutan, or merong mga hindi pagkakaunawaan sa trabaho, no? So some of you maaring nasa toxic situation sa career, sa trabaho ninyo, sa workplace ninyo, and it is already affecting your mental health. So during this time, it's time for you to focus on yourself, mag-distress, no? Wag kayo masyado mag-overthink kasi it will just affect you even more. And yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring meron kayong ino-overthink na health problem, no? Na problema sa kalusugan ninyo. Kasi 6th house is about your health. So that's why it is more important to take care of your mental health. Kumbaga, if it's stressful, if it's toxic, you might need to release that para magkaroon ka ng peace of mind. And the 12th house is also about going within, no? Diving deeply about yourself. So some of you might be focusing also on your spirituality. Meron kang iba nagkakaroon ng spiritual awakening. Some of you kasi maari ring nagkakaroon ng challenges when it comes to your relationships with your family, no? Kasi itong first house at fourth house ninyo, merong challenge, yung Uranus at Venus dito. So, it seems na maaring you want to step away from a challenging situation with your family or your parents. Kung merong toxicity sa paligid mo, no? And ito rin yung time na i-let go mo na yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi nakakatulong sa mental health mo, sa pag-unlad mo. And focus on what you need to heal. Ano yung kailangan mong hilumin sa sarili mo. So medyo spiritual for you, Taurus, ang full moon na ito. Kaya pay attention to your emotions, be more sensitive, na kumbaga, alam mo kung ano yung energy mo at alam mo kung ano yung hindi para sa'yo. Na you don't need to take all of those feelings, no? Oo. Let's see what else for Taurus. So you have the Ace of Coins. So this is a new opportunity, a new beginning when it comes to your career. You also have the Three of Cups. Ayan. So some of you meron kayong bagong trabaho ngayon na of course, nagsisimula pa lang kayo, marami pa kayong kailangang pag-aralan. Sometimes you feel like parang there's a lot of pressure sa'yo na kumbaga maaral mo na agad lahat. 'Di ba? Pag bago ka pa lang sa isang trabaho. May mga training, ganyan, and maaring you're trying to fit in doon sa workplace na 'yon. So, don't worry kasi magkakaroon ka ng mas maraming kaibigan. Oo, you also have the Justice card. So this is bringing balance into your life, clarity. Eight of Coins is also focusing on your work, your career. This is mastering a craft. So maaring, lalo na kung may bago kang business, bago kang trabaho, sometimes it gets stressful kasi mahirap mag-start up, 'di ba? Mahirap magsimula. Kasi kailangan, it's like a foundation of your new career or your new business. So, that's why, just take it one step at a time. Wag mong masyadong i-pressure yung sarili mo. Oo, Knave of Cups, this is also taking care of yourself, no? Being more, kumbaga, kinder to yourself. Na yes, you need to do a lot of things, pero kailangan you also need to bring balance into your life. Lalo na kung masyado ka ng overwork, masyado ka na nagfo-focus lang sa trabaho mo. So, it's also a time for you to go out, have fun with your friends, or, just have this specific therapy na pwede mong gawin sa sarili mo. Shopping therapy, spa therapy, anything that will make you feel better and relaxed. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.